Today, we have a fun session. We'll start with a recap of variables and simple data types like integer and string. Then, we'll move on to a brand new concept, conditions. We'll learn how to use if and else statements. Finally, we'll practice writing some simple condition programs. Let's recap. Last time we talked about storing information. Can anyone tell me what a variable is? A variable is a container that holds data. And that data is the useful information we want to store, like the number 70 or the word Hulk. We learned that variables have a name and a value. We also looked at simple data types. What is an integer? An integer is simply a number. And what is a string? A string is a collection of characters, like words or sentences. Now, let's talk about conditions. We use conditions every day. Think about what your mom might tell you. She might say, if you eat your lunch well, I shall buy you a toy. Or, if you do your homework, I shall let you play outside. Here is a common one. If you behave properly, I won't cancel your birthday party. Else, I will cancel it. That, if, else, is exactly how we tell a computer to make decisions. In Python, we use the if keyword. For example, to check if your brother is older than you, Python myAge equals 9 brother Sage equals 11 if brother Sage greater than myAge. Print, my brother is elder to me. If that condition is true, the computer runs the indented line of code. There are three key things we need for an if statement. The condition itself, which is what we are checking. A comparison operator, like greater than, a colon right at the end of the if line. Now, to make that condition work, we need comparisons. We use all the logical conditions you know from mathematics. Can you name one way we compare things in math? In Python, we use these symbols. For equals to, we use two equals signs, A equals B. For not equals to, we use an exclamation mark and an equals sign, A equals B. For less than, we use less than. For greater than, we use greater than. And we have two others, less than or equal to, less than smiley face, and greater than or equal to, greater than equals. Let's use the if and the else together. Imagine a little Avenger quiz. Python Avenger equals input, who is the strongest Avenger? If Avenger equals Hulk, print, correct answer. 1 point for you. Else, print, wrong answer. Strongest Avenger is Hulk, 0 points. Here, we check the if condition first. If the user types Hulk, they get a point. If they type anything else, what happens? The code jumps to the else section, and they get 0 points. Notice the else also needs a colon. Time for our summary quiz. Today we learned about conditions, which allow our programs to run based on a rule. Conditions use if and else. The rule is checked using a comparison operator, like equals or greater than. And every condition line needs a colon, smiley face. Thanks. Do you have any questions? You can reach us on mail id provided.